In this lesson, we've covered the basics of entering formulas as well as some of the most foundational math and statistics functions that you're going to use all the time. As a bonus, here are a couple of other math functions that you might find useful. First is absolute value, ABS, and when you make a reference to any number, it returns the absolute value. So in this case, I have a negative 10. Absolute value gives me 10. Another one that you might use is square root, SQRT. And if you make a reference to any number and hit enter, it's going to calculate the square root of that number. Excel has many more math functions than we're able to cover in these videos, but if you want to take a look, you can hit Alt and then M for the Formulas tab. And if you look right here where it says Math and Trig, you can hit G, and that will give you the whole catalog of math and trigonometry functions. So you can look through this if you think that there might be something there that's useful. Now I'm going to hit Escape. Some other functions that we've covered in this module have come from the statistics function, which you don't see right here. If you hit Q for more functions, you'll see S, statistical. So I'm going to hit S, and you'll find functions like average, count, count A, large and small, and max and min, and many other different statistics functions that you might find useful if you're doing that kind of work. The good news is that if you don't understand what one of these means, you can take your mouse and you can hover over it, and Excel will give you an explanation of what that function does, or you can use the Insert Function menu by holding Shift and then hitting F3. Inside this menu, you can select different categories of functions, for example, statistical functions, and you can scroll through these different options, and as you move, Excel will give you a description as well as the different arguments for each of these functions so you can figure out what they're all about.